स्टार्ट करें और लेट? हाँ, हम सब लोग इधर इकट्ठा हुए हैं कि वो रोटरी क्लब मेंबर्स है पूरा, वो रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3150 का मेंबर्स है सब लोग। सो हम इधर क्यों मिले हैं ना, आज वो 110th बर्थ एनिवर्सरी रोटरी इंटरनेशनल का है। 1905 में ये यूएसए में लॉन्च हुआ। सो हम सब ये पूरा वो सोशल सर्विस एक्टिविटी और कम्युनिटी सर्विस एंड हेल्थ सैनिटेशन और ये पोलियो एराडिकेशन ऑफ पोलियो ऐसा पूरा सर्विस करते। सो ये 30 साल के पहले ये रोटरी इंटरनेशनल एक मिशन लिया एंड पोलियो ग्लोबली। सो उसमें तो हम लोग सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज मेंबर्स और रोटेरियन मेंबर्स ऑफ ऑल द क्लब्स ऑफ 94 क्लब्स ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3150। और अभी तो लास्ट ईयर ये पोलियो का निर्मूलन हो गया, सब 100% निर्मूलन हो गया। और उसमें से हम लोगों को अभी वो WHO से सर्टिफिकेट भी मिला है, वो पोलियो फ्री इंडिया हो गया अभी। फिर ये बाजू कंट्री है ना, पाकिस्तान, अफ़गानिस्तान और नाइजीरिया में भी फिर और भी पोलियो है। सो हमारा देश में तो पूरा सेक्युलर कंट्री है, पूरा ये माइग्रेशन पॉपुलेशन रहता, इसलिए देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी क्या कि वो फिर वो पोलियो आ सकता है इधर इंडिया में। इसके लिए हम फिर ये पोलियो कैंपेन तो कंटिन्यू करेंगे, कंटिन्यू करके पूरा निर्मूलन के लिए कोशिश करेंगे।
रोटरी दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा सेवा संस्था है। हमारा कमल कन्नन जैसे बताए 1905 में पॉल हैरिस ने रोटरी इंटरनेशनल को स्थापित किए हैं। और हमारे रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3150 ये तेलंगाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स 10 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स और आंध्रा में गुंटूर और प्रकाशम, ये पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स मिला के रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3150 कहा जाता है। हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर रोटेरियन मल्लादी वासुदेव, उनके नायकत्व में हम पूरे रोटेरियंस हम सेवा कर रहे हैं। हम पोलियो के बारे में और एजुकेशन विद्या व्याप्ति के लिए और हेल्थ सभी जनों को अच्छे से तंदुरुस्त स्वास्थ्य देने में हम सेवा करते हैं। पीने का पानी और ख़ास तौर से बालिकाओं के लिए पाठशालाओं में रेस्ट रूम्स, वाशरूम्स बनाने में लगे हुए हैं। ये अभी आज फरवरी 23 आज हम बोले ना, रोटरी का 110 बर्थ एनिवर्सरी जन्मदिनोत्सव सालगिरह मनाया जा रहा है। उस खुशी में ये करेंसी नोट का डिस्प्ले, जैसे बोले हैं, रोटरी दुनिया भर में करीब 200 देशों में रोटरी क्लब है, सेवा कार्यक्रम है और 12 लाख के ऊपर सर्वेंट्स मेंबर्स हैं इसमें रोटरी संस्था में।
what we could achieve in all these years. So since 1985, since this whole thing of Polio Plus has been launched, and in 1988 when WHO was convinced that we have to go about with this program, we have come a long way. So what all we could do in that, I think starting from being there present as voluntarily, and then giving the vaccine, supplying the cold chain, and mobilization and the public thing. I think we could do many things what we do. And as usual, we are all the type of people who want more. So we edil mange more. So what is the additional advantage we are getting by doing this Polio Plus? I think we could fight or wage a war against other diseases, that is the measles, DPT, TB. I think this is something which we could achieve. Agreed, we could not do it by 2005, but I think by 2014 when we could achieve it, that is a great achievement. And this definitely is the greatest non-government humanitarian project anybody could launch in the whole world. I think we all agree for that. And going back, I think forward, we would be reaching that literacy thing by 2017 also. And I'm very proud to be a Rotarian, and I thank everybody for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Manjuna. We have among us a very famous music composer, Mr. R.P. Patnaik. Mr. R.P. Patnaik is a South Indian music composer with about 60 films to his credits in 3 South Indian languages, Telugu, Tamil, and Nandi Awards. He is also actor and director. Among us, film actress Madhvi Lata is acted in Snehududu Nachavule and Kannada movies. I request you to please share the dais with us today. Can we all have a round of applause for them? Cake cutting ceremony now. I request our Rotary Annex, Ankita Lahari, daughter of Rotarian Harikishan Valmiki.
Can we request the media to be on the side so that the audience are able to see the program?
Can I request daughter of Rotarian Kalyan to please come up on the dais? I request please join us on dais.
Just post for the media.
Rotarian Kamlesh Gupta, please.
So we can cut again. Hands. Okay. Happy birthday
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Rotary, happy birthday to you.
Yeah, one second. Don't move. For the audience. Please don't move. Sir. Okay.
This is for you all. Can we start? Can you all say Rotary? Rotary! No. Everyone at one. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. We all. May God bless you, dear. Yeah.
Bhaiya.
On the dais. This is time to recognize the event. Rotarian Sam to honor Dr. Manjula. Can we all please applaud for it? I request DJ Maladi Vasudev to kindly honor Rotarian Nishchay. Rotarian Nishchay, please come on the dais.
Just ask whether the cake is so heavy to
Mr. Girish is the GM of Taj. I'm really sorry. I request Mr. Rotarian Nishchay, President, Rotary Club of Sikkim. To please come up on the dais and honor Mr. R.P. Patnaik.
Leading for polio eradication. 1986, as polio prevention, PDG Dr. Rangaya, he was my governor. This was first camp by Rotary Club of Secunderabad at Secunderabad on April 26, 1986. See how we are very happy to see him here. Thank you.
Please come, let everybody see who made this event possible. And big round of applause, please.
Thank you, that's an honor.
Big round of applause, please.
And what a wonderful way to start.
Rotarian Kamal Jain.
Please come, sir. Mr. Last. Come last. Please come, friend.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, everybody.
Say Rotary. 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 Rotary.
Thank you. So each one of you are enjoying the evening, but the best is yet to come. We have a small dance.
రికార్డ్ చేసుకుంటాను
इंग्लिश में तो हिंदी सर
बोलो
हाँ बोलो
Hello, I am Vasudev, Rotary International District 3150 Governor, and Rotary formed about 110 years ago, and we are now celebrating its birthday, 110th year birthday in Taj Falaknuma Palace. And on this occasion, we have got the Taj Palace illuminated with Montefiore cooperation, and also this occasion we have successfully conducted by Valmiki Foundation. So we achieved it. Rotary contribution in eradicating polio is much more, and we have celebrated that event, and now we are committed for total literacy in India. So for these two commitments, we have gathered here as a part of Rotary public image, and we request the government authorities and the public support for this. Thank you very much.